Hello, welcome everyone, it's Martin here at Crypto Gains. Without repeating myself from yesterday, just want to reiterate that an in-depth article from Being Crypto discusses what the on-chain metrics show for the health of the Bitcoin bull run, and basically all indicators are merely resetting. There is no reason to think that this is the end of the Bitcoin bull run. In addition to that, investors tend to be still withdrawing Bitcoin from exchanges and putting it into long-term storage. So what we're witnessing is merely a correction similar to the one that we saw in the beginning of the year. So the most likely scenario is that Bitcoin prices will recover and the upward rally will resume. The picture is similar with Ethereum, where the gas fees hit a monthly low, which could actually trigger an Ethereum uptrend simply because it's making using the Ethereum network cheaper, therefore driving more traffic, increasing the value of the cryptocurrency. In addition to that, there is substantial stability. 20% of Ethereum supply hasn't moved for more than 3 years, suggesting that at least 20% of investors are long-term holders. And finally, interesting development with Dogecoin, which now is going to be accepted as payment by the NBA Dallas Mavericks, as the owner, Mark Cuban, who is also a famous entrepreneur and investor, is investing in an NFT platform. So let's take a look at the charts and see how this can inform our trading. On the 1-hour chart of Bitcoin versus Tether, we can see a bit of indecisiveness between 47,600 and 46,300, with a rather bearish setup at the moment, with relative strength index reading under 50 and MACD indicator in the negative territory. So I'll be trading this range with high leverage, just leveraging the bounces up and down between the bounds of that range. If we break under 46,300, I'll be looking for short positions with target at 45,000, which is currently a very strong support area. Conversely, if we break above 47,600, I'll be initiating long positions with target at 50,000, and of course there could be an intermediary target here around the 48,500 level if you feel like taking your profit a bit earlier. Next, I'm moving to Ethereum versus Tether, which we very quickly touched on, and how the decreasing gas fees can actually resume its uptrend. And what we're witnessing here is once again that we have more of a bearish sentiment. So under 1465, I'll be looking for short positions with target at 1400 or 1400. However, if we clear up the 1500 psychological barrier, this would also coincide with a bullish crossover of the MACD indicator, and probably the relative strength index would recover above 50. So over 1500, we could be targeting 1600 for a long position. Next, very quickly, an idea in Chainlink versus Tether, which also is experiencing some selling pressure at the moment. And this is a setup that I have already shared with you, but this time the bearish sentiment prevails. So under 27.3, we can see that the MACD line, the blue MACD line, has just crossed under 0, confirming that bearish sentiment, and the relative strength index is under 50, once again confirming the strength of the bears. So under 27.3, short position with a target 23.9. If we clear 29.3, then the picture in the other indicators should have changed substantially, giving us an opportunity to enter into a long position with target 31.7 and 33. The next idea, of course, is in Dogecoin, which I just discussed with you. And what we're observing here is the formation of a consolidating triangle pattern. And essentially, I'll be waiting for a break outside of that pattern over 0.051 for long positions with target at 0.0605, and under 0.075 short positions with a target at 0.041. You can also see that both the relative strength index is stabilizing, oscillating around 50, and the MACD is tinkering with that zero line, showing us the indecisiveness of the market, preparing for a substantial breakout. And finally, an idea in IOTA versus Tether. one of the cryptocurrencies performing rather strongly today. So we had the formation of a consolidating wedge. That pattern was broken on the upside. So over 1.3, long positions with target 1.558 and stop loss at 1.17, supported by bullish setup in both the relative strength index and the MACD indicator. Thanks for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section and the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection. And of course, remember to join the Crypto Signals Made Easy group for lots of insightful ideas and trading signals. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and have a good weekend. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in. And if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.